Hey there, did you know that tiny droplets from a cough can travel up to 6 feet? It's like the length of a giraffe, but don't worry, we can stop those germs in their tracks. Here's how. First, always cover your mouth when you cough, but not with your hands. Use your elbow instead. It's like giving yourself a hug while being a germ-fighting superhero. If you have a tissue, even better. Use it, then toss it in the trash. Don't forget to wash those hands afterward. It's like giving germs a one-way ticket out of town. Teaching your kids these simple steps can help keep everyone healthy. Remember, cough etiquette isn't just polite, it's powerful. Let's make covering coughs cool and keep those germs out of school.